Yes. It's your boy here with another reaction video, guys. Yeah, the way how you read the title, this is actually the sound of 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom by MANSORY. So hit the subscribe, comment, like. Let's jump right into the video. You see, guys, is actually by MANSORY. Look at this, Rolls-Royce, MANSORY. Man, this car is beautiful, but it should be expensive as fucked. Guys, to be honest, yeah, it's a Rolls Royce, but it's quite lazy. You saw how hard it was to take off. But it's a Rolls Royce. It's a luxury car. It's not like sport car. So I think it should be like that. I don't know. What do you think, guys? But it's beautiful. I can't say nothing. The car is beautiful. Yeah, guys. Oops. Sorry. Yeah, guys. This one is actually deserves a like. I do really like it. I do really like it. Look at this beautiful blue color. It's nice. It's a nice car. So yeah, guys, that was the sip for today, and see you guys in the next video. Respect for subscription, something like that. Subscription and liking. See you guys in the next video.